He's fighting. He's fighting with the kids that are... Oh my gosh. This is so funny. I could totally end him right now. I could end him. I could be the edgy kid and pull out a dagger. I'm gonna do that roleplay. I usually don't roleplay like this. I could do it. I could do this if AJ will let me. He's gone again. Did he run away? There. Oh my gosh. Finally. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. This is so funny. You guys... Oh my gosh, he's been with 5 different girls. 6 now. And he unbuddied poor Grace. Oh, I feel so sorry for all these kids over here. So, what's he gonna say? Is he gonna respond? Because his roleplay was literally just like chills. Your roleplaying skills? Well, I can't judge your roleplaying skills. I mean, like, everyone has their own kind of roleplay. But once you've been killed, you gotta accept you got killed. It was kind of power play for me to only use one box, but that doesn't care. Yep. If he comes back, I swear he just ran away. Hold on, I'm gonna see how if he comes back. If he comes back, I swear I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna laugh so hard. I'm gonna still scream. He's... If he comes back, I'm gonna scream, he's back! Oh my gosh, this is so funny. This is so funny. And this is how I met him. I was on yesterday and I saw him with two different girls. And I was just like, what the heck are you doing, man? And he left. And then he somehow forgot my user or whatever the heck. And so I come over to him and he starts trying to flirt with me. And so and then this one guy over here, I need to give him a shout out because he's awesome. This one guy, Soxy or whatever, he's just like, I don't trust this dude. Don't trust him. And I was just like, okay, sure. And then, so this was so funny. This was so funny. This was so freaking funny. And so he's gone. And so I go follow him because I didn't know where he was. And he's with another girl. And it's just like, okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, he just buddied me. Oh, yay. Thanks, dude. Okay, anyways, and so he comes over here, and so he comes over here, and I see him with another girl, and I'm just like, whoa, what are you doing? And he's just like, haha, unbuddies me, and then leaves. And I find him in AJ's school. Again, trying to get with a girl. And it's kind of just like, what the heck, dude? And then I come back now on my spare account, and he's with another girl. And then next thing you know, that girl leaves and he's got with this one girl. And then she's over here like, whoa, why'd you unbuddy me? And it's just like, oh my gosh, what the heck, man? What the freaking heck? This is so funny. Oh my gosh. And he's sort of trying to laugh it off, but it's cute and funny. Oh my gosh, this roleplay. This is so funny. You need to be extra nice to this guy. And Grace. Poor Grace. You need to be extra nice to Thoxy and Grace. Where the heck? Why can't I click her username? AJ. Because those poor people. And there was another girl that was there. And then, so, this is so funny. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love this. And everyone's trying to break them up, but